Welcome to the world of next.js. Next.js is a powerful framework for building modern web applications using React. It simplifies development and enhances performance, SEO, and user experience. Built on React, next.js is easy to grasp if you're familiar with React. It excels in server-side rendering and static site generation. These features improve loading speed and SEO. Next.js offers built-in routing, data fetching, and API routes. It's a robust framework for all developers. Let's dive in and explore next.js.
Before we dive into the exciting world of next.js, let's set up our development environment to start building our web applications. First and foremost, you'll need a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, particularly the ES6+ syntax. Familiarity with React.js is also highly recommended since next.js is built upon the foundation of React. Next, ensure you have node.js and npm or Node Package Manager installed on your system. You can download the latest version of node.js from the official website, which includes npm. Once installed, you can use npm to install next.js globally on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command: npm install g create next app. This command installs a handy tool for quickly scaffolding new next.js projects. With installed, you're ready to create your first next.js application. In the next section, we'll walk through the process of creating a new project and exploring its basic structure.
At the heart of next.js lies a set of core features that make it stand out as a powerful and efficient framework for web development. One of the most significant advantages is its ability to generate static websites, offering unparalleled performance and SEO benefits. Next.js achieves this through static site generation, or SSG, using the function. This function allows you to fetch data at build time and pre-render your pages into static HTML files. Another critical feature is server-side rendering, or SSR, enabled by the function. SSR renders your pages on the server for each request, making it ideal for dynamic content that requires access to server-side resources. Next.js also excels in client-side rendering, or CSR, using React's hook, providing flexibility for building highly interactive user interfaces. These rendering options give you granular control over how your content is delivered to the browser, allowing you to optimize for performance, SEO, or interactivity based on your application's specific requirements. Understanding these core features is fundamental to harnessing the full potential of next.js. Section 4. Styling and User Interface. Creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces is paramount to any successful web application. Next.js provides great flexibility and a range of options for styling your components and crafting engaging user experiences. One popular approach is using CSS and JS libraries like styled components or emotion. These libraries allow you to write CSS styles directly within your JavaScript components, providing better organization, scoping, and dynamic styling capabilities. Next.js also seamlessly integrates with third-party CSS frameworks like Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, or Material UI. These frameworks provide pre-built components and utility classes, streamlining your styling workflow and ensuring a consistent design language throughout your application. Furthermore, next.js supports global CSS files, which you can import into your application's root layout component. This approach is helpful for defining global styles and overrides. When choosing a styling solution, consider your project's specific needs, team expertise, and personal preferences. Next.js empowers you with the flexibility to adopt the styling approach that best suits your development workflow.
Section 5. Advanced Concepts and Techniques. As you delve deeper into Next.js, you'll encounter more advanced concepts and techniques that unlock its full potential for building sophisticated web applications. One such concept is middleware, which allows you to intercept and modify incoming requests and outgoing responses. You can use middleware for tasks like authentication, authorization, logging, and more. Next.js also introduces server components, a powerful new way to build highly performant and scalable applications. Server components run on the server, enabling you to access back-end resources directly and reduce the amount of JavaScript sent to the client. Another powerful feature is I-18N, or internationalization, which simplifies the process of building multilingual websites. Next.js provides the tools and features to build robust, scalable, and feature-rich web applications. By mastering these advanced concepts, you can elevate your Next.js skills and create exceptional user experiences.
Section 6. Deployment and beyond. Deploy your next.js application to make it accessible to the world. Next.js offers several deployment options, each with unique advantages. Vercel provides a seamless platform for deploying next.js applications. Deploy with a few clicks and use serverless functions and edge network. Platforms like Netlify, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud support next.js. They offer tools to manage, scale, and monitor your application. Consider ease of use, pricing, performance, and scalability. Web development and next.js are constantly evolving. Stay updated, explore new features, and improve your skills. The next.js community offers resources, tutorials, and blog posts.